Okay, I'm trying out this OSMO Tannin spot remover. I've got a couple spots that I want to try it out on. This is a white oak island, and we just saw these one morning. I thought we'd give it a try and see if it will solve that problem. Otherwise, we do liquid wax cleaner, but I'm gonna try this. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit on there. It says to put it on there for like 30 minutes. Let's see if it'll take care of the spot. Okay, I waited about 40 minutes, so here's the two spots now. I'm gonna wipe them off, see what they look like. I'm just using a microfiber cloth. Well, that's pretty impressive. This is the first time I've ever used this product, but I don't see the spots anymore. There we go.